Hello everyone. Welcome to today's podcast show. I am George, host of today's episode. Are you looking for affordable iPhone repair services near you? If you are wondering where to get the iPhone screen fixed for comprehensive and trusted repair solutions for your precious iPhone, I will highly suggest iTech Xpress in Covina. iTech Xpress is a popular local repair store serving people in Covina and its surroundings with reliable phone and computer services. They provide customers with high-caliber repairs and competitive replacement service. They offer solutions for charging issues, broken screens, power connector problems, memory installation, etc. Call 626-777-4747 and get a time and cost estimate and browse iTechXpressing.com to learn more about their services. Hope you have enjoyed today's show. I will be right back, stay tuned.